Welcome to Worldy Global. This video is about the Udaloy class of the Russian Navy. Before enjoying the video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. The Udaloy class, Soviet designation Project 1155 frigate and Russian designation Project 11551 frigate M, are series of anti-submarine guided missile destroyers built for the Soviet Navy, 7 of which are currently in service with the Russian Navy. 12 ships were built between 1980 and 1991, while the 13th ship built to a modified design, known as Udaloy II class, followed in 1999. They complement the Sovremeny-class destroyers in anti-aircraft and anti-surface warfare operations. The codename Udaloy comes from an archaic Russian adjective Udaloy, meaning daring or bold. The Project 1155 dates to the 1970s, when it was concluded that it was too costly to build large displacement, multi-role combatants. The concept of a specialized surface ship was developed by Soviet designers. 2 different types of warships were laid down, which were designed by the Sevenoy Design Bureau: Project 956 destroyer and Project 1155 large anti-submarine ship. The Udaloy class are generally considered the Soviet equivalent of the American Spruance class destroyers. There are variations in SAM and air search radar among units of the class. Based on the Krivok class, the emphasis on anti-submarine warfare, ASW, left these ships with limited anti-surface and anti-air capabilities. In 2015, the Russian Navy initially announced that 5 out of the 8 Project 1155 ships will be refurbished and upgraded as part of the Navy modernization program by 2022. In 2020, it was suggested that a total of 8 Project 1155 or 1155.1 vessels would be upgraded to the same standard, though work on the remaining 3 units would extend beyond 2022. In addition to overhauling their radio-electronic warfare and life support systems, they will receive modern missile complexes to fire P-800 Onyx and Caliber cruise missiles. The ships are to have their service life extended by 30 years until sufficient numbers of Admiral Gorshkov-class frigates are commissioned. Upgrades will include replacing the Rastra-B missiles with 3 S-24 angling launchers fitted with 4 containers using the 3 M24 anti-missile, and 2 3S-14-1155 Universal VLS with 16 cells for Caliber land attack, anti-ship, and anti-submarine cruise missiles in place of one of the AK-100 guns. Udaloy second class. Following Udaloy's commissioning, designers began developing an upgrade package in 1982 to provide more balanced capabilities with a greater emphasis on anti-shipping. The Project 1155.1 Frigate II class large ASW ship is roughly the counterpart of the improved Spruance class. Only one was originally completed. Similar to Udaloy externally, it was a new configuration replacing the SSN-14 with P-270 Musket anti-ship missiles, a twin 130mm gun, UDAV-1 anti-torpedo rockets, and gun SAM-SEWAS systems. A standoff ASW capability is retained by firing up PK-2 Vyuga missiles from the torpedo tubes. Powered by a modern gas turbine engine, the Udaloy II is equipped with more capable sonars, an integrated air defense fire control system, and a number of digital electronic systems based on state-of-the-art circuitry. The original MGK-355 Polonum integrated sonar system for the hull-mounted and towed portions on Udaloy I ships is replaced by its successor, a newly designed Zvezda M2 sonar system that has a range in excess of 100 kilometers, 62 miles. In the second convergence zone, the Zvezda sonar system is considered by its designers to be the equivalent in terms of overall performance of the NSQS-53 on US destroyers, though much bulkier and heavier than its American counterpart. The length of the hull-mounted portion is nearly 30 meters. 98 featuring. The torpedo approaching warning function of the Polonum sonar system is retained and further improved by its successor. In 2008, Admiral Chabanenko became the first Russian warship to transit the Panama Canal since World War II. Vice Admiral Kurakov deployed to the Mediterranean Sea from its home base in Russia's Northern Fleet in June 2014. As always, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel.